He's got water in there too. He's got water in the kitchen too. Right now, that's why I put the water down first. Sometimes they'll eat and eat and eat and not drink anything. You thirsty? I can always get more. I can always get more water. I'm glad they're eating though. Ain't like they're starved. I know over